Hi friends, today we'll show you how to change your TikTok username and display name. Open your TikTok app. Now in the bottom click right corner here. Now in your profile tap edit profile here. Now here you can see username, tap on it, and now if available your username we can see green mark, and then change your username, for example. Now as you can see green button, green mark is here. This means you can change to this username and then tap on top right corner save. And you should know you can change your username once every 30 days. And to change your name, as you can see here, we just click back and tap name. Enter your name, then again on top right corner click save, and your username and your name is changed in TikTok. Friends, thanks for watching. I hope the video was useful to you. Support me by subscribing to channel. It is not difficult for you, but for me it's very important. Also like this video.